The sky is crying on my window pane, same as the night when you walked away. You left in silence, no last word, just echoes in a room that never stirred. Your coffee mug is where you left it, lipstick faded on the rim, and I still sit across from Ghost, pretending I'm enough for them. When it rains, I remember the way it hummed that quiet tune, how your laughter filled the corners like sunlight bleeding through a room. Now the thunder takes your place, and I drink the shadows in your name. I don't cry when it's sunny, but I always break in the rain. I wear the sweater you forgot, it smells like you or maybe not, but I keep breathing it just in case, like love could live in woven lace. The radio plays your favorite song, and I still skip the line you used to sing. It's too much, too close, too loud, even in a room that's whispering. When it rains, I remember the way you'd press your hand in mine, like you were writing I love you in the space we never defined. Now the storm becomes a friend, and the wind spells out your name. I don't speak to many people, but I talk to you in the rain. I don't need answers anymore, I just want a place to miss you. The truth is I still set your plate and pour 2 cups like I always do. When it rains, I remember, and I let myself fall apart, because healing isn't always pretty, and moving on still breaks the heart. You're the quiet in the storm, you're the ache I can't explain. I get by when skies are golden,